It is currently 6:17, so we can shoot in 30 minutes. This morning we're hunting in it's a winter wheat field, so it's pretty green. We got the spread pretty much set up. I'll have to show you that when it's light. We got 4 shooters, hunting a feed of about 150. Hoping to get a 4-man today. We're not sure. The field was too muddy to drive a pickup in, so we got a hunting rig set up. It's a 4-wheeler and a trailer, but it looks pretty sweet. So we hauled all the decoys out, hauled ground blinds out there. It's a massive field set up in between 2 irrigators, in where the well is. So we're tucked up against some long grass. So hopefully the hide's good this morning, and hopefully we can kill them. And here is the rig. We got the Grizzly hooked up to this thing. It's got 4 wheels aside, so we're just getting through anything. So basically, they're flying away. They're swinging. I don't know if my gun is loaded. Okay, it is. That's good. Let them swing. These ones want in here, so just let them swing. Yep. Just ready? Ready, guys? They'll swing up here. All right, ready? Get ready. Yep. Just let these ones on the left see if they'll work. These ones are all down on the left. Okay. Me and James will try. If you guys get a chance, you can shoot these 2. You ready, James? Yep. You ready, James? All right. 3, 2, 1, kill. Well, thanks for picking me up. I meant.
Nice. Well, that's nice, man. I knocked my whole box over and I came over my 140. That was nice.
That was sad. I missed 2 shots. I hit my first one. This is a massive goose. Well, I'm glad we didn't get skunked, but I think we probably should have shot a couple more than 2 out of that. I whiffed. Look how big these things are. And all of them are that size. Better do it dirty.
Left, right over power line. They just drop quick.
They're low, right by the power lines. They're coming this way.
Yeah, I know these guys are coming in. Heads down, ladies and gentlemen.
No. I'll give him a little moan. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh, these ones are doing it dirty. These ones were cupped from the road.
I know, they dropped it for the power line.
We might shoot these ones out front if they're close.
You minus how many seconds?
7.
15.
Okay. Well.
Oh, no, they spun around.
No. They're swinging out front.
No, I mean, they're not going to go straight in front of us right
No.
now. Now they are, but...
Wait, hold off on them. Hold off on them. They'll swing. There, they're all swinging. Watch this one, we're gonna shoot the rest over top.
Rocky, want that one?
Yeah, I'll shoot that one. Just wait on him, wait on him.
They'll come around, so
Yep. Is the one landed?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna shoot these 3. Ready, boys?
On you.
No, I'm waiting for the back too. Wait for this one to go over top. We got 3 in the deep. Kill him! Oh, I got mine. Let's go.
I got 2 of them over here.
But hey, did we kill all 3 in the decoys? Yes. And I killed, so we killed 4. That's pretty good. Is James still over there?
He's laying down.
Oh, you're good. There's... This sucker's It's way out here. What? I suck. You want me to shoot him too? I'm tired now. Oh, I just shot a baby.
5-pack?
Yep. 5-pack. Oh, James, this is your kind of pack, ain't it? You love the 5-packs.
5-pack on a pound. 6-pack on a pound?
Okay, shut up. I gotta focus. Oh, they're they're getting funky with it. Oh my gosh, they're getting funky with it.
Hashtag whacked.
Hashtag smoked.
T-minus how many seconds?
4?
Oh, sweet.
No, not 4. Straight off. They're gonna be straight up front pretty soon.
Oh, I see. Right where the other ones came in. Right there? Yes. That's what you done. Yeah, just start shooting. You if they're dead, just keep shooting.
Guys, we have to wipe this pack out.
You gotta bring them over here first.
They're getting there. Jeez, you gotta be patient with it.
Oh, they're so dead.
Ready? Kill him! Ah! Well, we got 4, I guess. Yep, they're gonna fly right over. We have to, they're behind us, so... Yep, they're behind us, so we can't. Okay, they're gonna circle out front.
Really?
Yep.
It's like a Disney movie.
It is on. We might kill them first pass if we can because there's so many birds they might see something. No, let's let them circle one more. Oh gosh, yeah. They're getting down. Just swing out front.
Bro, they going in the front or the right?
They're straight out front, Will.
Are they getting funky?
Okay, I'm gonna wait for the big group. Wait for the big group. They're all landing right, huh? Just let them. We got like 30 in our decoys.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Okay. You guys ready? Hang on. Yeah. Oh, there's one right there too. Hey, buddy.
Dude, I can feel my heartbeat, my nuts are up. I can't feel my heartbeat.
They might all land right, but that's okay. We'll just all start blasting. Boys ready? Yeah. They're getting frisky. Go.
Kind of helps load your gun, doesn't it?
Okay, we got 4 out of that.
Not bad. I got 2.
That's not bad, yeah. It wasn't, I mean, honestly, that was awesome. I don't care if we only shot 4. It's a baby!
My gun was loaded.
Are you serious?
I did.
Oh my gosh, dude.
I got out of here and
I shot 1. I shot 1, you shot 2, and he shot 1.
Wait, shot 4?
I shot one, James shot one, and you shot two.
So we have 6 more to do.
Well, we just had that big flock of like 60 come in. They landed right side, so it was a little tough. We got 4 out of it, 4 out of the last flock, and then another 4, and then the first 2 we shot. So we're at 14. Shoot 6 more birds. We're hoping there's a few more flocks in the air. But here is the spread. Will,
What?
make sure to look around every time before you sit up, just to be sure, because we just had 2 that were in our spread and they flew away. Alright, we're wrapping it up. We finished with 19. They shot one when we were going to get the 4-wheeler and pickup and stuff. So they shot 1 out of a 3-pack, and then there was a big ol' flock coming in as well, and that one they were picking up, so it kind of flared on them, so they were just poking at them, and unfortunately didn't get them. So finished with 19, one away from a limit. So till the next time.